Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line Christmas gnome. I'm going to go in first and begin to base coat his beard in the color Pine Cone. Following that, I use Barn Red for his hat. I'm also using Barn Red for the bow on my Jingle Bell that he's holding. Next, I'm going to go in with Evergreen for the trim on his hat. Then I use Savannah Mist for the Jingle Bell and Putty for his nose and hands. Now that everything's dry, I'm going with my Sharpie brushstroke marker to outline everything. I'll also use this marker to go in and write Merry Christmas on the top. And then I'll finish everything off by going in with a number 4 round and the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's whitest and brightest white. And I'll highlight everything to soften and brighten it up. And then that'll complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.